खाना तैयार है. The food is ready. The food is ready. थोड़ा नमक डालो. Add a little salt. Add a little salt. चाय बना दो. Make some tea. Make some tea. बर्तन धो दो. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. फ्रिज में दूध रखा है. The milk is in the fridge. The milk is in the fridge. खाना ठंडा हो गया है. The food has gotten cold. The food has gotten cold. रोटी और बना दो. Make some more chapatis. Make some more chapatis. सब्जी में मसाला कम है. The vegetable needs more spice. The vegetable needs more spice. पानी उबल रहा है. The water is boiling. The water is boiling. गैस बंद कर दो. Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas. I hope you all are repeating after me. सब मेरे पीछे रिपीट कर रहे हो. Number 11. मुझे भूख लगी है. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. खाना बन गया क्या? Is the food ready? Is the food ready? थोड़े और चावल चाहिए. I need some more rice. I need some more rice. ये बहुत स्वादिष्ट बना है. This is very delicious. This is very delicious. फ्रिज खाली है. The fridge is empty. The fridge is empty. सामान खत्म हो गया है. The supplies are finished. The supplies are finished. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. खाना गरम कर दो. Heat up the food. Heat up the food. चीनी कम डालना. Put less sugar. Put less sugar. ये बहुत मसालेदार है. This is very spicy. This is very spicy. टीवी बंद कर दो. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. थोड़ा शांत बैठो. Sit quietly a bit. Sit quietly a bit. यहाँ बैठ जाओ. Sit here. Sit here. ये कमरा बहुत गंदा है. The room is very messy. This room is very messy. थोड़ा साफ कर दो. Clean it up a little. Clean it up a little. मेहमान आने वाले हैं. Guests are coming. Guests are coming. सोफा साफ करो. Clean the sofa. Clean the sofa. लाइट जला दो. टर्न ऑन द लाइट. टर्न ऑन द लाइट. पंखा चला दो. टर्न ऑन द फैन. टर्न ऑन द फैन. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. इट्स वेरी हॉट इन हेयर. इट्स वेरी हॉट इन हेयर. खिड़की खोल दो. ओपन द विंडो. ओपन द विंडो. पर्दे बंद कर दो. क्लोज द कर्टेन्स. क्लोज द curtains. रिमोट कहाँ है? Where is the remote? Where is the remote? थोड़ी जगह बनाओ. Make some space. Make some space. यहाँ आराम से बैठो. Sit comfortably here. Sit comfortably here. सो जाओ अब. Go to sleep now. Go to sleep now. अलार्म लगा दो. Set the alarm. Set the alarm. बिस्तर ठीक कर दो. Make the bed. Make the bed. लाइट बंद कर दो. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. कपड़े अलमारी में रखो. Put the clothes in the cupboard. Put the clothes in the cupboard. खिड़की बंद कर दो. ठंड है. Close the window. It's cold. Close the window. It's cold. मुझे जल्दी उठना है कल. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I need to wake up early tomorrow. तकिया दे दो. Give me the pillow. Give me the pillow. मुझे अच्छी नींद नहीं आई. I didn't sleep well. I didn't sleep well. पंखा धीरे कर दो. Turn the fan down a bit. Turn the fan down a bit. रात बहुत हो गई है. It's gotten very late. It's gotten very late. सपना देख रहा था मैं. I was dreaming. I was dreaming. चलो अब आराम करते हैं. Let's rest now. Let's rest now. सुबह जल्दी उठाना मुझे. Wake me up early tomorrow. Wake me up early tomorrow. पानी गरम कर दो. Heat up the water. Heat up the water. तौलिया कहाँ है? Where is the towel? Where is the towel? साबुन खत्म हो गया है. The soap has finished. The soap has finished. नल बंद कर दो. Turn off the tap. Turn off the tap. पानी बहुत ठंडा है. The water is very cold. The water is very cold. बाथरूम साफ कर दो. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. ब्रश कहाँ रखा है? Where is the brush kept? Where is the brush kept? पानी की बाल्टी भर दो. Fill the bucket with water. Fill the bucket with water. दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. Close the door. Close the door. जल्दी करो, देर हो रही है. Hurry up, it's getting late. Hurry up, it's getting late. दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who's at the door? Who is at the door? अंदर आ जाओ. Come inside. Come inside. जूते बाहर रख दो. Leave your shoes outside. Leave your shoes outside. दरवाज़ा खुला छोड़ दो. Leave the door open. Leave the door open. कोई आया है शायद. Someone has probably come. Someone has probably come. घंटी बज रही है. The doorbell is ringing. The doorbell is ringing. मैं देख लेता हूँ कौन है. Let me check who it is. Let me check who it is. स्वागत है आपका. Welcome. Welcome. बैठिए आराम से. Please sit. Make yourself comfortable. Please sit. Make yourself comfortable. कुछ लेंगे आप? Would you like to have something? Would you like to have something? होमवर्क कर लिया? Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? स्कूल जाने का समय हो गया. It's time to go to school. It's time to go to school. खाना खा लो जल्दी. Eat your food quickly. Eat your food quickly. बैग तैयार कर लो. Get your bag ready. Get your bag ready. मुझे परेशान मत करो अभी. Don't disturb me right now. Don't disturb me right now. थोड़ा शांत बैठो. Sit quietly for a while. Sit quietly for a while. पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? How is your study going? How is your study going? मार्क्स अच्छे आए हैं इस बार. The marks are good this time. The marks are good this time. थोड़ा और मेहनत करो. Work a little harder. Work a little harder. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. खेलने मत जाना अभी. Don't go to play right now. Don't go to play right now. दूध पी लो पूरा. Finish your milk. Finish your milk. देर हो रही है, जल्दी करो. It's getting late. Hurry up. It's getting late. Hurry up. बस आ रही है, जाओ जल्दी. The bus is coming. Go quickly. The bus is coming. Go quickly. शाम को घर जल्दी आना. Come home early in the evening. Come home early in the evening. बिजली चली गई है. The power has gone. The power has gone. पानी नहीं आ रहा है. The water isn't coming. The water isn't coming. कुछ सामान लाना है बाजार से. We need to bring some stuff from the market. We need to bring some stuff from the market. मेहमान कब आ रहे हैं? When are the guests coming? When are the guests coming? घर साफ कर लो आज. Clean the house today. Clean the house today. कुछ नया सामान खरीदना है. We need to buy some new things. We need to buy some new things. पड़ोसी आए थे आज. The neighbors came today. The neighbors came today. ये टूट गया है, ठीक करवाना है. This is broken. It needs to be fixed. This is broken. It needs to be fixed. बिल भरना है आज. We need to pay the bill today. We need to pay the bill today. कुछ ज़रूरत है तो बताओ. Let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. आज रात खाना बाहर खाएंगे. We'll eat outside tonight. Will eat outside tonight. सबको बुला लो खाने के लिए. Call everyone for the meal. Call everyone for the meal. सब आराम से सो जाओ.